Hello everyone, this is Shubham from Gossipfunda, and today I am going to teach you a topic about, or rather elaborate it in a simply way, Google error 400, that is of YouTube basically. Whenever you play a YouTube video, there will show error, even if your internet is working, even if your browser has reached you to the correct IP address. So what are these type of error, how this error occurs, and let's find the solution for it. So without any further ado, let's jump right into the video. Now, as you people may be aware of, YouTube is the most used social platform for watching videos, and it is also owned by Google as well. Sometimes what happens when there is too much like people watching videos at the same time, an error occurs called the error 400, and videos are suddenly stopped and some kind of issues occur. So it will show some like client manifested or something. So here's the type of message which comes during too much usage of, like, if there is too much people using YouTube at one time. So here's the simple solution for it. First, go to the Google Chrome page and go to the three dot bar and go to settings area. There you will find privacy and security, and then there we go to clear browsing data. In this, basically your browsing history, cookie side and and cache images were all be cleared, just like we do in our app settings. So before clearing it, let me tell you, it will delete all the data, and if you go to the specific site, it will again, you have to like do the same procedure to join it again. So yeah, it's a bit tough, but it's good if you don't want that error to occur once again. And for the second tip, go to incognito bar and search for your favorite. Like, I will search for Gossipfunda. It is not showing, it's completely black because the content is always hidden in incognito mode. And the other step is, you either go to settings area and click on the reset button, and then you have to reset all the settings again that we showed in earlier. But this type of reset is different. It deletes all the cookies and even your sign in procedure too. So yeah, if you want to sign in again, you have to, like, if you want to sign in again, you can reset, and all the stuffs can be done through this procedure. It is very helpful. Also, there is another procedure, like go to the phone settings and search for apps, and there you have to search for Chrome bar. So first, let me open manage apps, and there we search for Chrome. Let's go bottom. Yeah, as you can see there, Chrome, and simply you have to clear data from it, or don't uninstall the updates, because the updates are very important for each and every app. Now here's the conclusion part. Why do we get such errors? The simple answer is, sometimes it's a software problem, like they have pushed the notification or pushed the update which is not very helpful, or the developer has pushed the update which is kind of laggy in terms of, like, I would like to say the example of iPhone. When it came to iPhone 8, they have, to improve the battery performance, they have reduced the official hardware performance. That's what sometimes happen, developer option, or it could be your own phone's problem, that sometimes these error occurs due to network issue. Like in Windows 10, sometimes where there is a Wi-Fi issue, I will make a video on that too. So that are the covers topic, like, and that too how the errors occur basically. So I hope this video was helpful to you guys, and do like, comment, share it to your friends, and subscribe to Gossipfunda for these technical updates. Don't forget to put down your queries in the comment section. I have also added link in the description area. Do check that. Stay happy, stay safe, get vaccinated, and yes, do subscribe to Gossipfunda. Till then, goodbye.